Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can send USDT from your Trust wallet to your Binance account. It's very easy thing to do. For this, first go to Trust wallet and open your Trust app. Then what you have to do, log into your account and select send send crypto, then select USDT, then select network, and then what you have to do, enter the amount, and then you have to import your Binance wallet address. And now how can you get Binance wallet address? For this, go to binance.com and log into your account, then select deposit, then select deposit crypto. Now from here select search coin. I didn't verify my account, so I cannot select any coin. What you have to do, you have to select USDT from here, then you have to select a network same as Trust wallet. Now you can get a deposit address, wallet address for Binance. Now copy it from here, then put it to paste it to our Trust wallet address, and then select confirm, and your crypto now is on the way to your Binance. And that's it. That's how you can send USDT from your Trust wallet to your Binance account.